SmartMates are typically introduced in SOLIDWORKS Assembly courses as a quick and easy way to create commonly used mates without requiring you to use the Mate Property Manager. But until Service Pack 3 of SOLIDWORKS 2025, they were only available for fasteners from the Toolbox add-in or models with existing mate references. For downloaded fasteners or those without mate references, you'd still have to mate everything up manually. The introduction of AI-powered fastener recognition has extended the capability of SmartMates to hardware outside of SOLIDWORKS Toolbox and beyond mate references, potentially saving you a lot of design time, especially if you don't have access to Toolbox or if you tend to use uncommon fasteners. So stick around to learn how to use AI-powered SmartMates in this 2-minute tech tip. SOLIDWORKS can now use AI to evaluate the size and topology of the fasteners you're adding and let you snap them into place with appropriate mates. Here we have an example of a machine screw from McMaster Carr. This was downloaded in SOLIDWORKS format, but if we look through the feature tree, there's no indication of a mate reference. Without AI recognition, all we would be able to do is add this to the assembly and mate it up manually. However, in SOLIDWORKS 2025 Service Pack 3 and beyond, this same fastener will mate up directly with no additional work required. This can be done by dragging the file from Windows Explorer, using the Insert Components command, or, if the fastener already exists in the assembly, using Control Drag from the Feature Manager design tree to create a copy and dropping it onto the mating face. If you look closely, you'll notice the AI icon on the cursor indicating it's being recognized. If we explore the resulting component, you can see that 2 mates have been added as expected. If preferred, you can also drag and drop fasteners from a connected design library, including the default library. A couple important notes before we wrap up. AI fastener recognition currently only applies to SOLIDWORKS parts, although during testing it has been found to be compatible with certain imported file formats such as STEP while using the Insert Components command. Use this strategy at your own risk and note that it may not work for every import type. There's a few additional limitations as well. Specifically, AI recognition is limited to single body fasteners that are 20% or less of the total size of the assembly they're being applied to, and only works for nuts, bolts, and washers, as it's relatively easy to determine proper mating faces. Overall, AI fastener recognition is a really impressive enhancement, and it has the potential to develop into something even more impressive over the coming years. For now, consider exploring it for your non-standard and maybe even your imported fasteners to automatically apply mates and save yourself some design time. For more information on assembly best practices, fasteners, mates, and more, be sure to check out our course on SOLIDWORKS Toolbox and Design Library or our course on Essentials for Assembly Design.